my channel. I am Himani Vashisht and this video is a part of my Pyramid Energy Healing Therapy series. If you haven't watched my other videos, then kindly go through them to have a deeper insight about pyramids. This video is supposed to be a very special video because in this video I am going to teach you how to make your own pyramids. But I'm so sorry, don't keep your hopes very high because of some reasons and some shortage of time. I won't be able to give the demo that how I am making the pyramids. And if you really ask me, do I make pyramids? Then I would say no. I have done it in past just for experimental purpose. But the pyramids, what I am using are of I buy it from the authentic suppliers. Also, I can just put some links in my description box that from where you can buy. But just for your experimental purpose, it's better you try to make your own pyramid. It will help you to connect with pyramid energy, to make you be more acquainted with the pyramids, to be more intense. So it's better that you start by making one of your own pyramid. For me, I am artist by nature. You can see on my other channels or other videos that I have posted hundreds and hundreds of art tutorials, practically making so many showpieces, this, flowers, this, jewelry, everything. And in future, I'm going to commit. When I get time, for sure, I'm going to make one full tutorial while making by myself the pyramid, and I'm going to post it. But for now, don't get so disappointed. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a pyramid. But the thing is, the book I am following, I follow the books. I'm just going to take the instructions from the book only, and I'm just going to post the pictures that how they are making, because it won't be practically possible for me to just speak the words that okay, no, make cut like this. So I'm going to post the pictures from the book to facilitate that how can you make it. It will help you. It will certainly help you. If you really want to make your own pyramid, it will help you. Pyramids, they can be of different sizes, different size. The shape matters, The shape should be correct. The mathematical geometrical measurements should be correct when making. Size you can choose for yourself, for your purpose. It can be different size. Suppose you are using it for a very big purpose, then it should be big. For small thing, it depends upon your needs, your purpose, what size you need, what size you want to make. Initially, for experiment, you can make a small pyramid, normal size. And suppose you are experimenting with something, putting some food inside it, anything, or any plant inside your pyramid, make sure any material you are putting inside your pyramid is not more than 1/3 of your pyramid size. Otherwise, it won't be able to work efficiently. The pyramid won't be able to harness that much energy. You understand? More the size, harness more energy. Less small size, harness less energy. So follow my tips, and I'm going to post those pictures in the next part of this video. You will find the pictures and all the instructions about how to make the pyramid. Follow these instructions, and if you make your pyramids, don't please post your pictures, send me email what about your experiences with your pyramid, how it came, how you made it. Do share your experiences, and also post your comments. I'm excited to see your pyramids and your experiences with it. Dhanyavad. Thank you.